Man, it's like I'm aiming for these potholes. How's it going? Good. Good. Where are you guys riding out of? Nice. That was a fun section back there. No, go ahead. Go ahead. I'm good. Rip it up, man. Ah. Yeah. Do you need to pee? I need to pee too. Huh. Oh! Careful. It's icy on top of that. I thought I was going to like break through, and I kind of half-heartedly did. Oh yeah. What do you think? Just pick it up and like set it or okay. Oh yeah. Nice. Wow. No way around it, huh? Maybe with momentum? this thing stall. Whoa! I'll go check it out. Oh! I don't know. I mean, I made it this far. You want? Go ahead and go past me on the right here, Aaron. Wow, your right leg's getting a workout. A little slippery underneath this layer of gravel. Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad we pushed through that section. I was not too optimistic. You mean this isn't fun? Camping spot. So same guys. But I had my visor down. Oh, I took a rock from you. No, that's okay. I know it wasn't intentional. How dare your back tire? Jesus. Those whoops are terrible. Well, at least there's no dust. I'm an optimist, man. I'm gonna shut off my ABS real quick. Okay, I'm good. Just in case, you know, it's like get into a situation where you need to skid a little bit, and if their back wheels are doing weird things. Yep. What a beautiful day. Didn't we see some wild horses out here before, like those two that crossed the road? Yeah. Yep. So you want to kind of go up through that way, like this way? Yeah. Well, this is cool. Looks not traveled very much. Ooh, big hole. Mud hole. More mud. Trees. I know. I think the temperature is like perfect right now anyway. It's probably going to warm up a bit, but oh yeah, I forgot my camera records my audio, so all it's going to hear is me talking dirty, and they're not going to know why. I'll edit this part out. I'm going to take a shortcut. Oh, there's mud there. Guys out hunting or shooting or something. Oh, side by side. Ooh, bump. Oh, man, my turn. Oh, now I'm stuck on the shitty side. Okay, well, good. Get a little uneven surfaces here. I think it's choose your own line through here, man. Oh. I think I'm gonna ride with the visor up for a bit. Get some fresh air. Little puddle down here. Wonder if we'll see any horses. I've seen some random piles of poop in the road, but none that look super fresh. I mean, not that I'm an expert on the poo freshness. It's not steaming or anything, so I know it's not that fresh. Yeah, maybe you're right, like we've already ridden by some horses that just kind of blended in the distance. Let's see where it goes. Go ahead, man. Maybe I'll go on the other side. Wow, this would be actually kind of a cool place to camp, man. I wonder if it's like first come, first serve, or... Must be where all the fish are stacked up, based on the fishermen. Tree on your right here. Well, pavement ends. Maybe we're going the right way. I'm gonna pull over right here and just double check our map here. Bumps, lots of bumps, lots of bumps. Seems like we should see some horses about now. There's horses, slow down, on the hard right. They don't seem to mind us. It says like battery not available or something. Oh yeah. Oh. Well, that makes me right for the first time in a while. Oh yeah, this was like all snow. There's a truck up here, by the way, that we're coming up on, and the road's a little damp, so careful. Definitely the road is wet, so wasn't really expecting the road to be wet. Yeah, this would be super fun, like when it's dry out. this us already? Okay, I'm gonna go to the second entrance here so I don't... Okay, I didn't know how close you were behind me.